see, we are rolling pretty hard today again. I had calculated it out with my hours. If I bump up my speed limit a little bit, I can actually make it into Winnipeg today. Yeah! And then because it's just a trailer drop over there at the customer, I could bobtail home on personal use. Well, then if I could do that, then I'll be home tonight. So I'm kind of debating on whether or not I'm going to go out on Friday or not. I'm kind of hoping I can, but then again, we kind of talked to our friends already a little bit too about maybe having a little bit of a barbecue on Friday. So I haven't quite decided yet on exactly what I'm going to do, but we are currently in Saskatchewan already, past Swift Current, Saskatchewan. As you can see, it's a little hilly up here and not a tree in sight. Yeah, that's right. But I am really giving her today. Speed limit is 110 up here, so that's what we're doing. I figured at 110, at 10 hours, I had 10 hours and 20 minutes remaining this morning. Doing my pre-trip in the morning and whatever. So at 110 clicks an hour, I should be able to do 1,100 clicks a day at 110, right? So, and I only have 1,045 kilometers up to my customer, but you know, we have a couple of towns we gotta go through and slow down, so I figured at 110, that should exactly give me enough time to get to my customer. So, keeping my fingers crossed, we're gonna hammer down. I will, however, stop in Moose Jaw and have me a quick bite to eat there. You know, you gotta eat, right? So you can't be driving all day and not eat. So I'm gonna have me a bite to eat in Moose Jaw and then hammer down, hammer down. That's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be rolling real hard, that's for sure. But hey, that's how it goes some days, and if I can manage to make it home today, I will be looking at 14,200 and probably 80 miles. That's kind of where I'm looking at. I haven't quite figured out. It'll be 60, 70, 80. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, kind of 14,280 miles by the time I roll into the yard at home. Now that is quite a month. I can tell you that much. It's the 31st today of January. And I was telling my wife just the other day, January is usually one of those months that I get the most miles in the month. That has been my biggest month for many years already. So this month is no exception. I usually get somewhere around 12 and a half to 13 and a half. And this month, it looks like I'll be sitting at over 14,000. And that's on an electronic log, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, that is. So if you're going to say you can't get miles on electronic log, I got news for you. That is absolutely baloney. You can definitely get the miles. Like I said before, when I did that 13,700 and somewhat miles on an electronic log, I told you guys, all you gotta do is plan it. The company's gotta plan your trips correctly. You know, everything has gotta line up a little bit. Yes, I agree with that. But the biggest thing is do a reset, go. Reset, go. That's the only way you're gonna get those kind of miles. But hey, we worked hard. We worked our butt off this month, I tell you. That's for sure. I am now leaving Moose Jaw, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, indeed. We went in here and had us a good breakfast. Now we got our belly all nice and full again. Now it's time to put the hammer down and go. Yeah, that's right. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. Eastbound and down. Yeah, that's right. That's exactly what we're doing right now. And we got a pretty strong northwest wind, so it's kind of pushing us towards home. So That's actually really, really nice in all reality. I mean, yes, that wind is uncomfortable when you're out and about, but other than that, it is kind of helpful because it's coming across this way on the road, and it's kind of pushing me a little bit, right? So yeah, we're gonna hammer down and make our way to Winnipeg. We still have, what, 644 kilometers to go. So we got our work cut out, don't get me wrong. We do have to work hard, but we will make it happen, right, guys? You want to help me, right? Leave me a thumbs up if you guys think we can do it. I think we can. Looks like they're redoing that tempo truck stop right there. Wow, looks like there's no parking available there anymore for trucks. That kind of sucks because we need parking. We need to be able to stay somewhere for the night, right? Usually that's what the plan is, but yeah. So here we go. Let's get on down the road and make our way to Winnipeg, guys. As you guys can see, we still have really nice sunshine. Oh yeah, that's right. And we have actually just entered Manitoba here a few minutes ago. And I decided, you know what, let's sit down nice and comfortable, and 28 kilometers up to Verdun, Manitoba. That's right. So here in about 15 minutes we'll be entering into Verdun territory, and then I think we got about another 40 minutes or so, and we'll be in Brandon, Manitoba. So it's not going to take us that much longer, and we will be in Winnipeg, guys. Looks like we got about another 3 hours, I would say, and we should be in Winnipeg. So that ain't going to take very long, especially at the rate that we're traveling. We're going pretty good, doing pretty good speed here today. So we are basically hammer down. Well, yeah, I'm happy about it though. I already made myself available to go out on Friday morning. So that way, usually on a Friday we get good loads. I decided, you know what, instead of staying home on Friday, may as well take advantage of it now. Go out on a Friday, get me another good run if I can. Get me good miles next month again too. And then we'll be really happy about that. I got right now 14,024 miles in the books already. So we are just giving her this month, and a lot of you guys are saying it can't be done on an electronic log. Well, we done it. I'm going to show you guys here tonight. Once I get home, I'm going to show you guys that we did 14,000 somewhat miles. Probably be about 14,200 and some miles by the time I get home. So yeah, it's going to be it has been a hard working month for us, that's for sure. But hey, that's what we wanted, right? We wanted to get some awesome miles and make some decent paychecks, and it really has. Today was actually payday. On the 31st is payday, and it was a pretty good paycheck. I'm pretty happy with it. I ain't complaining anyways. Yep. Alright guys, we have now passed Brandon here a little bit ago. Yeah, we're getting closer and closer to Winnipeg. And it's starting to get kind of cloudy up here. My dad just informed me here a little bit ago, saying it's fairly windy up there in Steinbach area. So he was warning me if I'm coming home today or getting close. He said it's very windy and blowing snow up in that area. I'm like, I haven't really seen anything up in this area, but hey, nice of him to let me know about it. I guess we'll have to take it a little easy when we bobtail home from Winnipeg, but yeah, we got 156 kilometers and we'll be at our customer. Got an hour and 49 minutes remaining on my clock, so I think it paid off putting the hammer down here pretty good for a good while, and now it looks like we will definitely make it, that's for sure. Might have a couple of minutes remaining, but that's about all I'm gonna have. Yeah, we're not gonna have a whole lot of time, that's for sure, but that's okay. We don't need a whole lot of time left, right? Because once I drop the trailer, like I said, I can go personal use back to Winnipeg. Yeah, I mean back to Steinbach. Yeah, anyways, I've been working so hard this month that it's going to be real nice paychecks here coming up. I'm very happy about that. Like I told you guys the other day, I got something planned that I want to do, and it looks like I'm going to be able to accomplish what I set out to do. So I will let you guys know when the time is right. You guys are going to have to continue watching to make sure you'll find out what it is, right? We have made it home, guys. It is supper time. Yeah, we got yuca, we got some salad over there, we got some chicken, and we got us a nice dessert. Look at that. Nice pie. Yeah. Anyways, we're home, getting ready to have supper with the family. Yes, indeed. Well, we're all sleeping again, eh? What are you doing, huh? Taking another nap? Huh? Yeah? Anyways, let's have supper before it gets cold. Yeah, it is really cold outside, so hopefully it doesn't get too cold. But oh well, that's how it goes. We're inside in the warm, right?